Back in the dungeon with a quick Bitcoin paper wallet how-to. Now for those that clicked this and were expecting an Ethereum paper wallet how-to, you can click right above my dome and then that should redirect you to the right video. Now for everyone else, here's a little bit of information on Bitcoin wallet addresses. Legacy or paid to public key hash addresses are usually associated with early addresses created on the chain. They are expensive to use and were released in 2009. Pay to script hash released in 2012. Pay to witness public key hash was introduced after the SegWit soft fork in 2017. Pay to Taproot, which offers privacy benefits, and ordinals were also built on Taproot, was released in 2021. Now with the tool that we're going to be using to build our Bitcoin paper wallet, it actually creates you a legacy wallet. Now please note, with the legacy address, your transactions will be slightly more expensive, you won't be able to interact with ordinals, and there may be some security flaws that were solved from later BIPs. But now let's just hop onto the computer and create this paper wallet. Alright, so let's get started here. If you haven't already, go to the description of this video and you'll find the URL to this GitHub. From there, you're going to want to go to code and download the zip. You're going to want to extract the zip. And you should get this right here. You're going to want to click on bitaddress.org. This should be an HTML file. And then from there, you're going to want to move your cursor around to help create your private key, which will then create your public key or your public address for your new Bitcoin wallet. Just keep doing this till it reaches 100. And then once it's done, you're going to have a public key here or your Bitcoin address. You'll notice that it has a 1 in front, so it is a legacy address. And you also have your private key. So you're going to want to keep this safe. And from here, you can print it out, and now you have a paper wallet. Very, very simple. That was quick and easy, and now you have a Bitcoin paper wallet. And if you do like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and peace.